Imagine earning a lucrative income through simple YouTube videos made just using ChatGPT and Canva? In this video I'll reveal the secrets behind a faceless YouTube channel that consistently generates thousands of dollars every month. This YouTube channel has 1.86 million subscribers with just 105 videos. And these videos are all faceless and require minimal editing. Let's take a look at this one.
Worst word that's written or spoken, doing more harm here than slander and lies. On it is many a strong spirit broken.
And guess how much this channel is earning? According to Social Blade, it's making up to $5,800 every month. Now I'm going to show you how I created 100 motivational videos in just less than an hour, absolutely for free. And here we go. The first amazing tool we are going to use is ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 inspiring people with 5 of their quotes, in table format, each quote in a separate column. And now we are going to copy and paste this table into Microsoft Excel. And then adjust the cell size accordingly, so that it's clearer to see. Now it's time to bring these facts to life using Canva. Simply click on Create and select Video. Now type quotes in the search column. And then choose the layout that fits your theme. We can now start adding elements to build a proper layout. We can then adjust the show timing to create a seamless flow by dragging the text duration. Next we'll search for the bulk option in under the app column. Please note that it's not available in the free plan, but the good news is that Canva offers a 1-month free trial. Click on Enter Data manually and make sure to clear the table before proceeding. Now we'll copy all the quotes from the 10 philosophers along with the column headings and paste them into Canva. Next, we will link each column to our own text by right-clicking on each text, and then select Connect Data and choose the right option. Ensure that all data points are connected and don't forget to place all the parts in its designated spot. After that, click Continue and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, Canva will generate 10 copies of this design, each with 5 quotes of every philosopher. In this video, I only included quotes from 10 philosophers to demonstrate the process, but you can continue this for hundreds and thousands of short videos. Now let's see how it looks like. In the scenario of words or image not aligned, you can adjust the accordingly, so not to worry. Now we can use this tool, called Voice Maker, to convert text to voice. This tool is free to use, however, you can only add a limited number of words each time. After you are done, just click Download MP3. Next, upload the audio file onto Canva. And just drag it to the bottom of the footage. We can split the audio and footage and arrange accordingly to make both parts synchronize.
Be the change that you wish to see in the world. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others.
We can also change the video background. Just click on Video on the left-hand panel, and select the background that you want, and drag it into the footage, and adjust accordingly. When you are done, click Download, and remember to select Download pages in separate files. And voila! It took me just 5 minutes to create 10 videos, and 100 videos will just be within an hour. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an exciting update. Wishing you all the best on your journey.